Let's say you've already had a protective order granted on your behalf for an emergency basis. What are your next steps? Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by talking a little bit about what to do after you've been granted an emergency protective order. Um, so I get a lot of clients that come in and they say, hey, so I went to the court, I filled out this paperwork, a judge gave me this order, I don't know what to do now. That's great, but that's just the very first stage of the process. Now we need to figure out how to take that emergency protective order and push it through to a final order of protection. So here's what you're going to need to do. You're going to need to figure out what evidence you have and what witnesses you have to bolster the claims that you're making in this protective order. So let's say you're filing this petition on the grounds of domestic abuse. Let's say uh, your baby daddy or your baby mama is just absolutely, you know, physically, verbally, mentally, emotionally abusive, and you're finally done. You're out. You've had enough. Well, first you're going to need to figure out what can you do to show the abuse. Have you had any friends that have seen you just getting completely yelled at and berated by your abusive partner? Have you had any friends that have seen you get slapped around, punched, hit, shoved, tripped? Do you have any injuries? Are there any police reports? Are there a bunch of hospital visits where you fell down the stairs or something? These are the things that you need to start thinking about in order to figure out, okay, we've made these allegations, we got this granted based on the allegations, but now we've got to prove them. And this is where hiring an attorney definitely comes in very handy. I always tell people it's so much better to hire a lawyer than try to do it yourself. It's basically the difference between having a trained surgeon perform surgery on you or you performing surgery on yourself. You can probably do it on yourself and you might even survive, but it's going to be a lot messier and a lot more painful than if you had a professional doing it for you. So if you've got an EPO granted, come talk to me or go talk with another attorney. Let's sit down. Let's go over your evidence. Let's figure out what witnesses we have that can strengthen your case and figure out how best we want to put these pieces together to, show the full puzzle, which is you're entitled to an order of protection, and here's why. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.